Welcome back, darlings, to a new vlog. Come with us on a gorgeous day in the countryside, a spa day, and seeing the fireworks in London. So I'm making my way to this gorgeous hotel outside of London, and I originally planned for a spa day, but my boyfriend surprised me with a hotel stay, so I had to pack my bags last minute. I'm staying at the gorgeous Danesfield House Hotel and Spa, and I'm heading straight into my spa treatment. I've booked myself into a facial because I've been breaking out recently. Oh, I hate the British weather. Illuminati. My goal for 2025 is to have spa days every weekend because that's what I need to function. If you're high maintenance, you know what I mean. Just finished my facial and it was the best. She advised me what to use and what not to use because I would exfoliate my skin like every day, and that's not necessary. She told me to use a gentle moisturizing cleanser with an oil cleanser. Right now I'm chilling by the pool while getting on with some work for my business. This is how my face looks after my treatment. I do notice a difference and my skin looks more awake. Sauna time. This is one of the products she recommended. If I notice a difference, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'm gonna use that in the morning. We are off to dinner. We are having dinner at the restaurant in the hotel. Look at this gorgeous Christmas tree. This is the lounge area and it's so gorgeous. If any of you haven't stayed at Estelle Manor, it is giving Estelle Manor vibes, and I'm obsessed with Estelle Manor. Maybe we should get this for the house, babe.
I was thinking that.
I'm having the squid and also a cheese board for a starter. And for the main, we had a Caesar salad. There's so many Christmas trees at this place. I kind of wish it was Christmas again. Look how gorgeous this room is. Good morning. It's so pretty, the view.
Right.
Oh, look at broadcast. Yeah, the view is so pretty. We are now about to have breakfast. For breakfast, I'm having a tasty Greek yogurt with some fruit salad and a coffee. For breakfast, I'm having the vegetarian breakfast. We are also trying to get tickets for the London fireworks, and we actually booked it on the day, even though it said it was sold out. Look at the gorgeous grounds. It's so pretty. So pretty. So we checked out and now we're killing time at the spa. I decided to head to the gym and do a little cardio and some ab workouts. I have a love-hate relationship with the gym. Some days I'm like, yeah, let's go. Some days I'm like, oh, I hate it. Is it just me? What's motivating me now is I need to stay skinny this year. We are now on our way to explore a town that we're in called Marlow. It's so grey. We just arrived in Marlow and it's so pretty here and very cute. We have now arrived in London and we're waiting 4 hours for the fireworks to start. I didn't really want to wait 4 hours, but it actually went by quickly, and surprisingly it was warm. I had to take my fur coat off, believe it or not. What's everyone's New Year's resolution? One of my New Year's resolutions is to start vlogging more, doing like weekly posts. For now I'm just like vlogging anytime and just like posting. It was quite an experience being in London. Yes, it was hectic, but it was fun. And it's something my boyfriend hasn't done before, so I thought it would be nice to go with him to see it. Thank you so much for watching, darlings. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you had a lovely New Year's. Follow and subscribe for more.